What's up guys, so in this video we're going to do a roadside repair to a puncture on a tyre. We're going to start by removing the valve. Do this using the valve removal tool in the kit. So you just whip that out. As you can see, the tyre has gone down. You then remove the screw or whatever it is that's punctured the tyre from the tyre. You then get the drill reaming tool to clean out the inside of the hole. Nice and quick, just do it a few times as you can see in the video. I usually coat the reaming tool in a little bit of Vaseline just to make sure the hole is clean. Next, what you want to do is get one of the cement strips and put it through the centre of the insertion tool for the cement strip. Then you're just going to go ahead and press that into the hole. It does take quite a bit of force, as you can see, but you just got to keep pushing on. You'll feel it pop through when it goes through. And just give it a little turn and pull it out with a sharp, swift pull. Once you've removed the insertion tool and the cement strip is successfully stuck in the tyre, you can then use a knife and cut off any excess that's sticking out of the tyre. I'm now going to use a compressor to inflate the tyre to 36 psi, and then I'm going to go ahead and listen and feel for any air leaks from the tyre where we have repaired the puncture.